guys, it's Rob at AndroidTicket.com. How do you stream over 2 terabytes of data to your Android device, tablet, cell phone, or PC? Well, it's very easy with 2 simple components. I have a Netgear router with a USB plug in the back and a 2 terabyte USB hard drive with USB 3.0. I'm going to show you how to set these bad boys up and stream everything that's on this hard drive onto your tablet, phone, and laptop. Alright guys, what we have here is a Western Digital 2 terabyte hard drive. You can get any size you want. Just make sure it's USB 2.0 compatible, and it's got its own power source. You do not want a small hard drive. You don't want a just a USB mini hard drive like a portable, like a passport for example. You want something with a power adapter. Next is a router. I have a Netgear router. This ran about I think 110 to 130 bucks. I can't remember exactly the price, but it has 2 networks. It has 2.4 gigahertz and 5 gigahertz. It has USB 3.0, and it's got, you know, your typical router settings, but it has the compatibility to stream, or you can plug in your hard drive to this and set up a network without using Windows. And that's a plus, because before you would have to use a computer to stream any content over your network via if you're at the office or in your local area as your home. With this, you can stream your stuff over the internet to anywhere in the world that has your IP address, or while you're in your home on your local network. So I'm going to show you how to set these up to use them on your Android cell phone or your tablet. This may also work on iPhone and iPad, but I don't have one available, so I really couldn't show you what apps to set this up. You can set this up using a web interface or a FTP interface. I use FTP just because you can edit files on the hard drive itself. If you don't want to touch in files, you can use HTTP, which is the web interface. So let me go hook these up real quick, and I'll show you how to set these up on the computer, and I'll show you what apps you need on your tablet and your phone to get this running. Another thing I want to point out, you do not have to be rooted to use this. You can be, it helps if you are rooted, because then you can put files on your Android device if you have, I don't know, apps or something on your hard drive and you want to push them to your system folder or something like that. But you do not have to be rooted to use this software. So let me get this stuff set up and I will be right back. Okay, so I got the router plugged in. I am connected via Wi-Fi. You can do this if you're just installing the router. I recommend you plug it into the LAN, the Ethernet cable, in case the Wi-Fi isn't turned on by default. So what you want to do is you want to open your browser up, and you want to look for your local IP address. What you can do is you can go to your network settings and hit properties and hit status. On your connection, it will tell you your IP. You want your local IP, which would be the it will end in a 0 or a 1. So what you want is mine, for example, is 192.168 and .1.1. Hit that. Your default password on, at least on Netgear, is I believe it's admin, but if you don't know it, you can view the instruction manual. I have it right on there. So go ahead and enter there. And what you're going to do is you're going to click on your advanced tab, and then you're going to go to USB storage. Every firmware is different, so if it doesn't look like this, don't panic. Just follow your instructions on your router to fix whatever you had to fix to get this point. What you want to do is, and you want to go to basic settings, which we're on now, I think. Okay, yeah, it's on. So you can see is my my hard drive is already connected. Read access, no password. You can set a password for this if you want. You can set a drive letter, the volume name. It tells you the size and the free space you have. So I'm going to leave that like that. And then what you're going to go to is advanced settings. And here you can check the protocol. So what you want is, if you don't want to share it on the internet, you just want to share it locally in your house, then all you have to do is uncheck the ones that have internet next to them. To even use this IP will not work unless you're out. Well, it works inside, but if you go out, you have to get your IP address. You can go to Google and type in "what's my IP," and it'll tell you your IP address. You fill in there /shares. It's a little more work because you have to forward ports and all that stuff, but then you can view it anywhere you're at on the street via your phone, computer, office, whatever. But for to be more safe, I recommend not doing that. So I have FTP via internet turned on because I do use that as a port 21. If you're local, you can click on the regular FTP. So what you want to do is when you check this, you hit apply and wait for the page to refresh. Then go ahead and hit one of these links. For example, I'm going to hit this one here, and it's going to open up the hard drive and all the documents inside. So it's got like I have an Android folder which is empty. I got documents. I don't know. I got my Dropbox in there. Software. And also you can create and remove files if you're using a browser. For example, in Windows you would go to network and then you can view your hard drive in your network settings. Linux, same thing. All you have to do is open up your home folder. You can go to your network and it'll pop up right there. Click on that. It takes a little while to load when it's going over the network. It all depends on your router. But yeah, you can view videos, like Family Guy on here, whatever. You could, I don't know if you can stream it or it'll probably download on this. Can't remember, but yeah, there's a few more things I have to figure out on this. But for now, I'm going to show you how to get this on your phone or your tablet. Now we have this set up. So just remember, if you have just the FTP one checked, remember this address because you're going to need this for your tablet or your phone. The next process is you have to get an app called ES File Explorer. In order to do that, you would go to the market or Play Store, type in ES File. It usually pops up right away. It's that top one there. So go ahead and do that. Alright, so then what you would do is install this. It does say you have to be rooted, but you don't have to be just for this process. This is a great app to use to explore your system files on the phone as well. So you just open this up and you come to this menu here. You're going to hit the little icon here. You're going to go to network, then you go down to FTP. See if I can get this a little bit more clear. Okay, and there's my hard drive added. What you would do to add this, you hit new at the bottom, hit FTP, and you're going to type in the address that you have right here. You're going to type this in over here. For username and password, you check anonymous, and then you hit OK. After that, you're going to have your folder pop up with your IP address. You can long press that, hit rename at the bottom here, and you can rename it to whatever you want. Alright, so after that's done, you can click on that. There's USB storage, and as you can see, let me go back one, you can see the IP address up here that I'm using, which is the local IP. If I was on the road, it would be the actual IP to my router, or my modem. So hit USB storage. You can hit whatever folders you have in there. You got music, for example. You can click on. You can stream whatever you want, really. I mean, it's pretty cool. Let's see what I got here. And see, I'm streaming music off my network. Let me see if I can hit next on this. Yeah, so you can't view them all, but you can download them too if you want to, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, you can copy it. So let's say you want to, let me turn it down a little bit. So let's say you want to copy all of these. Select them all, hit copy. Oh, actually, do one better, just copy the whole folder. Right. You would copy the whole folder like so, hit copy, go up to the little plant up here again, you go to local, go to home, this is your, when you go to home, this is your SD card right here. You can see right there it says SD card. Go to music folder and hit the paste icon down here. And there you can see it copying the files from your hard drive that is on your router, sorry, to your phone. And you can see it copies pretty fast, 1.4 MB a second, around there. If it's a bigger file, it'll be slow at first, but it will speed up. So don't worry about that. And you can hit hide, let that thing do its thing. Alright guys, I set up the router to be online. So right now, as you can see, I am on HSPA Plus. I am not on Wi-Fi. Just to confirm, Wi-Fi is off. And I have two of them here. I have the HDD, which is one local network, so when I turn Wi-Fi on, I can use that. If I'm on the road, I'm not at home, I can hit the FTP one. And basically you go like that. And you can view whatever you want when you're not at home. If you want to stream music, if you're not home, whatever, you can do it over the internet. This will use your data, so keep that in mind. If you don't have unlimited data, it will charge you. It may not stream as fast as it would over your local internet, but it will work. It just has to download the song. And there you go. We are streaming music off my home computer through the internet over my carrier network. So what happens if you turn on the Wi-Fi and you're home? You let the Wi-Fi connect. Okay, so Wi-Fi is on now. So what I'm going to do is go to the File Explorer, go to FTP, go to HDD, which is the local one, and you can view all your files. See? And it's pretty fast. It's not too bad. Of course, on Wi-Fi it's faster, as you can see. LTE may be faster. I haven't tried LTE yet, but I'll do that another day. So yeah, that is how you stream music and media over your Android device via Wi-Fi from a hard drive without using a computer. So this is Rob with AndroidTechie.com. If you have any other questions, I will show you more videos. Ignore those icons. Those apps are useless. But if you have any questions, feel free to post them under this video or on our Facebook page, which is facebook.com/AndroidTechie, or leave a comment under this article at AndroidTechie.com. And thank you for watching.